Hello, welcome to HotelContractBeds. Today I'm going to show you our Pocket Dream 1000 model. This is our entry level to our Pocket Spring range and is a common choice for hotels. Handcrafted and lovingly made in our workshops and designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence for an exceptional price. This 10-inch deep mattress gives a medium feel, contoured support, and consists of 1,000 of our unique identity individual pocket springs, all working independently from one another, giving contoured support throughout your body. Multiple layers of hypoallergenic fillings are then layered on top of the spring unit and held in place with cotton tufts. We then cover the fillings with our exclusive soft touch knitted mattress fabric, which is exceptional for moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night. The border of the mattress has 4 rows of side stitching, creating a firmer edge and maximising the sleeping surface, stopping any dipping to the sides of the mattress. Flag stitch turning handles make it easy to turn the mattress, and air vents allow moisture in the mattress to evaporate throughout the day, keeping the sleeping surface fresh all year round. Our bed bases are second to none, with solid sides and ends making them probably the strongest in the marketplace today. Available with a choice of storage options shown on our base video and upholstered in a choice of modern fabrics or our unique stain guard vinyl that's water repellent and easily wiped clean. All our headboards are available in a range of styles and designs and can be made in matching fabric to the Divan base as shown here. All our beds meet with Source 5 contract fire regulations, and we're so confident of the Pocket Dream 1000 that we cover it by our 5-year warranty. This model is shown in a zip and link version for this video, but is available in any size. HotelContractBeds. Dream in yours, sleep in ours.